Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree video. So in today's video we're going to be taking a look at how to make your own sound on TikTok. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get started. So you're going to want to have a video link or a video screen recording of somewhat. So go ahead and do that first before you open up TikTok. Anyway, jump into TikTok if you do already have it and click on upload. And then all we need to do is click on that video. So we've got a video here. So you can hear it now. I'm going to go ahead and type in background music. Okay, so then I'll go ahead and click off this, and then all I need to do is post. So go ahead and click post video. So we'll just post that now. So it takes a wee minute, just loads up. So while that loads up, we're going to go ahead and click off this and go onto our profile. So it's at 60%. So just refresh this just to see if it has been loaded. And there it is. All you need to do is click on it and you'll get that recording label on the bottom right. So you'll see it there. Now, for us it's not working, but it will work for you since this is probably a copyright sort of video. That's why it's not working. So I'm on the desktop version for TikTok. You can see that the original sound is working. So I have spelled background wrong there. If I do click on it, it gives me a link for the original sound, which is original sound pt_tutorial. So it will work if I use it for another video and I tag that in as my music background. But there you go guys, that is how to make your own sound on TikTok. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please do let us know in the comment section. We do hope that you did find this video helpful. But other than that, I'll see you guys for the next video. Thank you very much for watching.